Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. So in this simple video I'm going to show you how you can make your music sound muffled. Alright, so go to a CAPCUT PC and select your video with the audio music, or select your music to a timeline. So to make your music muffled, you are just going to click on the clip. Okay, click on the clip and select the mute clip audio. So just click the audio icon right here. Okay, so your audio, your music in your video has been muffled. Okay, uh, for other example, I'm going to select audio. Just click on audio and just click mute audio to make your audio muffled. Okay, that's how you can make your audio muffled. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.